But first, you should stay with us because I'm joined by Gerhard Bosch, labour market expert from the Institute for Work, Skills and Training at the University of Duisburg-Essen. And I'd be interested to know, what's your take on Mr. Kramski's solution? High-end golf clubs instead of spare parts for the car supplying industry. Is that the way out of the crisis?
I think there are enough producers for golf rackets. This is a small market. But what is important is that you have to be innovative and to have new ideas, to find new products. And this is one of the strengths of the German machine building industry. 75% of the German companies in this industry sell products which they developed in the last years. So they are very innovative, more than the other industries in Europe.
Still, they do have to deal with one of the worst crises in the last 80, 90 years. Actually, to get an idea of how bad the crisis in this particular industry really is, we have prepared a graphic which shows the huge slump in orders since June 2008, which hit its lowest point so far in April 2009 with a 58% drop in orders. Over the same period, German exports have also slowed significantly, and this industry is largely dependent on exports. So the question is, as long as global demand remains sluggish, how can the industry actually get back on its feet?
It will never get back on its feet if the global demand is sluggish. So the German machine building industry is dependent on sound economic development in the world, especially of those countries who are demanding German investment goods, like China, like India, South America, but also the United States, of course.
So, is it healthy to be that dependent on exports? Is there no other way around it?
I think there are no other ways around it for this industry, because this industry is highly specialized, so they have to find niches in the world market. But what is true is that the German economy as a whole is too much dependent on exports. We have to develop our internal demand for consumption, for example. Our wages didn't increase sufficiently in the last decade, so we don't have enough internal demand.
Well, in order to increase internal demand, you need to have jobs, and some experts say now that in this industry, some 50,000 jobs are at stake. How can they be saved?
We have about 1 million people working in this industry. Already 50,000 were dismissed, but you won't find them in the statistics because these are temporary agency workers. And there are another 40,000 jobs which are endangered. What is important is that this industry keeps their skilled workers, because this is an industry which relies on highly skilled workers. And the short-term money, the short-term scheme of the German government helps them and reduce salary costs for the companies.
Gerhard Bosch, thank you very much for joining us.